This is a very simple Unity game. As you can see, you can move around by pressing left and right key, and you can even jump using the up key. And every time you eat this canned food, your score goes up. And when you eat all these canned food, you win, because there's nothing left for you to eat. It might sound really simple, but if you take these coding into consideration, this is a whole different story. So, what this coding does: first, when the game started, we will reset everything right here. First, we will reset the count into 0 and the win text into nothing. Why? Because with these things, I'm gonna win immediately when I restart the game. Next, after the game started, if the player pressed the up button right here, if the rectangle will jump into the middle of the air. But here's the question: what is this thing right here? Grounded equals true. So, long story short, this means whether or not the players touch the ground, and this will prevent the player from jumping in the middle of the air. Next, we have this right here: input get access horizontal. This means when the player presses the left key or right key, the rectangle will move left and right, as you can imagine. And to prevent the rectangle moving way too fast, I have these things right here called max speed, which will prevent the rectangle moving way too fast. And that's pretty much all the coding about movement. But what about the score right here at the top left corner? Well, it's very simple. It's down right here. When the player touch those canned food, they're gonna be disappear temporarily. Next, after the player touch these canned food, the count will increase by 1. Next, we're gonna do this set count test. And what this thingy does is it will set the count test stock test into score and count, which represent how many food you have been eating. And you may ask, what is this thing right here? Count test dot test. Well, it's quite simple. And it's right here at the top left corner, which will show up after I started the game. Next, if your score is 5 or above, you win, because there's nothing more for you to eat, and this will set the win test dot test into your win. And that's not the end just yet, because we still have one thing to discuss: the camera. And long story short, these coding will set the camera's position into player's position, so the camera will follow the player wherever it goes. And that's the end of this game, and I hope you enjoy